So check. Hi friends, in this video I would be creating this front end which I find very attractive of Apna. Like I was trying to, I wanted to I wanted to apply my React.js skills, so I would be using this as an reference to apply my React.js skills. And but the main challenge that for me is I would be using only plain CSS, not any library or something. I would be using plain CSS rather than Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS libraries of CSS. So hope let's try to create it. Okay, it's just a simple, and what I'll do is I'll use some dynamicity in this project. Like I would be using dynamic data rather than hard coding this data in the in the application. I would be using a JSON server, a simple server for this thing, for the data of the jobs. Okay. Okay, I would be using this. Okay. So these things I think would be hard coded. Okay. This thing will be hard coded, and this thing will be dynamic. Like if I refresh the page, I get this type of scene. So first of all, we'll create this navbar. Then this text, this is I think this is just an h1 tag, basic h1 tag, and this. So this would be, I think this is just an okay. Let's try to create this front end, and I would be optimizing it as per my requirements. Like the best possible things I'll do it. And this web page is responsive, so it's like this. So just when I view it in an Android device, I can the see you can see the difference, like how it's responsive. The search bar is like this, and when it's responsive, the it changes, and this thing also. Okay. So first, let's just focus on on the front end part, and okay, I would be तो hi friends, इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं एक स्ट्रीमिंग को रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाला, ठीक है? Oh, okay. This is not the one. Yeah, this is apna front. So first, let's just focus on So I need the chats. If anyone wants to, if anyone wants to chat with me, they can chat. They can send their. If you want to chat with me, you can send your doubts if you want, and if you want anything. Yeah, I am an BSc CS graduate. I've completed my computer science degree, not degree, like computer science in 2 days ago, and 2 days ago was my final paper. Okay, so whatever it is, it's just normal front end. What I'll, but the main problem is I have to use plain CSS, which I have never used to build any of my web projects. But challenges are important. I know I can use what do you say, any CSS libraries, apna front end. Okay, so here would be yeah, okay, my bad, I did something stupid. You have to open. Let's create a front end. So wheat. What's the project name? It's a front end. Okay. Mm, I just yeah. So I have to refer my ReactJS notes. So yeah, I'll open my ReactJS notes so that I can refer it and create this work on this project. Yeah. So first of all, I just want to, yeah, I just wanted this. This. Okay, let's go. Just paste it. Project name will be apna frontend. Package name, yeah. No, not vanilla. I would be using ReactJS to create it in JavaScript, normal. Yeah, let's go. cd apna. Clear and npm install. So okay. So first of all, I would be, creating this navbar. It's this navbar has a lot of things in it, but Apna doesn't have a, dark mode. I'll also add in dark mode. So this is how it works, This is such a new thing. I think I'm audible to you. Okay. So I think it has been created. Now I'll open VS Code for creating all the. What happened? It's weird. And to run this project, I just need to npm run dev. So for this project, I don't think I need to use the Redux and all or React router because I'm not gonna change any pages. Like if I click on this, I would not be changing the pages, just this front end. But this thing would be dynamic. I'll use a fetch function for this. This is a long navbar on the left hand side. So I try to divide us. Okay, let's just first work on this navbar. Okay, I'll create a new folder for components. Inside it, I'll create a navbar.js. This is React functional component, navbar, and then we don't need app.css. Okay. Delete, delete, and remove this. Or remove this. Okay. So main, okay. This would be navbar. So I think it will run on localhost 5137, I guess. 5173. My bad. So here it is. Our project is running. And I need to import that. Import bar and just add that navbar in this div. So here it came. Now what I want to do is I want to convert this navbar into this thing. So there are many approaches. For example, I would have used there are three options I have in my hand. First, to use a CSS file for every component. Second is to use an object, JavaScript object. Third is to use inline. What I'll do is I'll use, let's see what I'll do. First, I just want to see something. So this would be like as I'm changing this, these two are completely different, I think. So this thing completely came here, and this, yeah. So they are using different components for this screen size. I think so. And this website is so laggy. It's lagging so much. Why I don't know. It needs optimization. I think. I don't know. So let's just create this navbar for sure. Okay. AI interview. Oh my god, so much AI. Let's go. Now to convert that into this. Let's see. So what I'll do is I have to edit this navbar now. So what I can do is I can create a separate CSS for navbar, but there would be a a need to create a global CSS in which I can just write this. And then I just have to import that in here. Yeah. Now I just have to see if I can do that. Now what should I do? I think I should use an CSS file only. Close this, close this. I have to ask ChatGPT what exactly I have to do. Saying I don't need to do this whole thing. So this will also work. see what happens now. Style is not getting applied because I have not imported that. Style is working. Okay, great. This is a body tag, and I just want that body to be. You want that body to be. Body should to take. Okay, let's say. Okay. Body is height and width is okay, fine. But okay. This is one component. This is sticky. This snap bar is sticky, and I'm able to scroll. This is only one box. Inside one box, there is two things. One nav bar and one this second type of box. So first I'll create this, work on this. So it's the navbar is not changing its size on anything. So I just have to, I can give a static style to it. Static height, 100 pixel, I guess. I don't think so. Oh, no, 100 pixels. 100 pixel, no. No, it's a little less. I think it's 90. 90, 85, 80. Yeah. Okay. So if I talk about body now, I have to style the body because it's here, it's light gray. What I'll do is I'll just go in this and select the body and then BG color equal to gray. Now it's not exactly like this, but first of all I just have to remove this background color, not black. Oh my god, white. So I have to, okay, and this is a little dark, but it's not that gray. Let's see. I just have to decrease a little bit, so it's 95. Let's see. Much lighter. 210. Let's see this now. A little much lighter. Yeah, more light. Yeah, this is fine, I guess. Yeah. Oh, my voice is clear. If you have anything to say, you can just ask me, okay?
नंबर माझं ऍड्रेस आपला ऍड्रेस म्हणजे काय काय केलं इलेक्शन मध्ये नाव दोन नाव ठिकाणी नाव आले
Check. Yo. Let's go. Let's continue with our project. So the
now
height and width is more less. I'll just adjust this. 80 pixels, and now I think it's okay. A little more. No. Now I have to work on these things. It's one div. No. One, two, three, four. This is just a logo in the search bar. A logo and this thing. I think it has it's divided in three sections. One, two, and three. Three parts. So I think whenever and three is divided in three parts, and so this input part doesn't have a fixed width. It's the width is dependent on. Okay, so this will min width properties there for that particular thing. Okay, let's go. Let's see about now create some of the divs that are possible. So I just create a div with class box. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take now. Noise. Um, and this thing will be three eyes, so repeated. Three boxes. Okay, three boxes. And then center, not center, but okay. Mm. Now it's okay now. But you know this box, this snap bar has another div. Inside that, this is there.
now माझं address इथलं टाकलंय.
So this snap bar has another div in it. I think so. Inside it, there exists one or more, three more divs inside it. Okay. So let's see what I can do with my website. Let's see. Let's see what I can do. I just have to set some height and width here. I did. What to do? How can I divide this now? Three sections. First of all, I have to correct this thing, like this div has another div in it. And inside it, these three divs are there. So inner div, and what I have to do is give it a width of 70%, then height of 100%. First of all, I'll just see how it's looking normally. Okay, so it's a little more space, I think 75. Now it's okay. So inside it, there exists this thing, this inner inner element. So this is also okay. You just have to copy this thing below. Yeah. Now this is okay. What I have to do, I just have to this three components. I just have to style. These three components have equal widths. Might have okay. It's not, I'm not 100% sure. I think I have a lot of background music, so I'll just check my stream quality. Just a second. It's my. It's not. I'm not 100% sure. I think I have a lot of background music, so I'll just check my stream quality. Just a second. Yo, Addy. I'm creating. I'm creating this front end. This front end. I'm trying to create this front end with ReactJS. I'm just trying. Let's see if I can create it. But I have a lot of background noise in my background, so what I'll do is I'll just ignore it. I'll just focus on creating stuff. Yeah. Space even justify content. How to justify the content. But what I'll do is I'll give it a I'll just give it a width, a min width. What will be the min width? Width 50% is not. Yeah. Little more. I think 30% is okay. Not 330. Okay. I think the height is much lesser. and the width is more. I'll just do it 80%. Okay. Now it's fine. This div have 1, 2, 3, 4 components in it. This only has one component. This has one component, just which is justified on the right hand side. So what I'll do is, now I just have to remove this thing, and I don't know if I'll get an copyright if I use this logo, but I'm not. I'm just trying to create this layout, so I don't think copyright will come. And I'm just trying to create this. Okay, it's okay. I'll not use it. I'll not use this logo because anything can happen, bro. I don't want to get sued. Hmm. So what I'll do is I'll just first of all, now every div has this. I'll try to create this one, work on that, this div, and this div has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 boxes. So I'll create this. Okay. So I'll work on box number 1. Box 1. Every box has every box is different. Okay. 4 boxes. One is logo, and this is one was logo and jobs. Mm, Ouch. Another is job, career. Inner div. Change this to box 1. Okay, I think there's problem here, and I don't know why it happened.
क्योंकि गजेंद्र गुस्से में आकर किसी को धमकी तो दे सकता है, लेकिन किसी का खून नहीं कर सकता। पर तो इंसान यही नहीं। इंसान सर इंसान जैसा होता है वैसा दिखता नहीं, और जैसा दिखता है वैसा होता नहीं। इंसान का क्या है, कब क्यों क्या कर ले समझ में नहीं आता।
Box 1.
मैं गजेंद्र को इतने सालों से जानती हूँ कि मैं इतने श्योरिटी के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि वो किसी का खून नहीं कर सकता। आप एक बार से मान तो लीजिए, आपको खुद विश्वास हो जाएगा कि उसने खून नहीं किया है।
It's not.
Okay. So, इसके बारे में आपको कैसे पता चला? अगला में किसी मुझे किस समझता है कि कोई वकील से रहना नहीं चाहता। कौन बचा?
What to do now? How to create this? Let's see. 4 boxes. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll just now give a common class to all of this. Okay.
मैं स्वीटी से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ। ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करूंगा जो मुझे उससे दूर ले जाए। और आप ही सोचिए, अगर मैं उन्हें मानना चाहता
God, I'm feeling so sleepy, but you know, at least I have to finish this nap bar today itself. This thing. It's not looking like anything, but it's okay. Work hard. There might be a team of front-end developers sitting there and creating these things, and here I am alone creating. So it will obviously take time. Later on, I'll just change all the things, like to okay. Why the divs are not? Why the div doesn't have any height and width? Yeah, I would be using after some time when I get stuck at something, then I'll use it. Let's go. Yeah. What I have to do, what I think I have to do now is after I'm developing this after a long time, so that's why I think I'm taking a lot of time. But no worries, I'll build it.
तो साफ है कि फिल्म के दौरान गजेंद्र के अलावा फिर भी किया है। इसका मतलब गजेंद्र ने ही पवन श्रीवास्तव का खून किया।
Okay, this is just normal div, I think. What I'll do is not touch this, but this. So this is logo part. So first I'll just remove the borders. Yo.
पुलिस रिकॉर्ड से पता चला है कि गजेंद्र वर्मा 14 साल की उम्र में अपने स्कूल के दो लड़कों के साथ
Yeah.
और उनके सर फोड़ने के जुर्म
So this should be
रिफॉर्म हाउस यानी कि बाल सुधार गृह में लौट चुके।
I just have to, everywhere I just have to use this. For now I'm using it, but afterwards I would be shifting towards a grid layout and all that thing. The font is also different for all the things, so no, this is not the font. I think it's yeah, nice. Font width. It also has some font width. 600. Yeah, it's too much, so it will be like 100. Yes, great. What I'll do is I'll just remove this fourth component. Afterwards I'll add it. And width is a little more. Yeah. Gap is more. Gap should be less between this.
मुझे पता है कोई नहीं आया ये तो चाय वाला देखिए
Width of this is too much.
लोगों को उनकी होने के अतिरिक्त मान टैक्स होल्डिंग इत्यादि जी सर ये बताइए कि उस दिन उस फिल्म के मध्यांतर के बाद आप उसके बाद इस समय का शेयर इंटरवल के बाद सर मैं काउंटर पर एक अंदर गया है ठीक है सर जरा पूछ क्या आपने उस दिन फिल्म के मध्यांतर के बाद हॉल के अंदर किसी को घूमते हुए देखा कैसे चलता है बार बार सवाल पूछे जाने से सच्चाई बदल नहीं जाएगी मेरी साहब गवाह पर जोर डाल ऑब्जेक्शन सस्ते मेरी सवाल दोहराओ मेरा दूसरा सवाल सुना था, क्या आपने उस दिन मध्यांतर के बाद सुनील शब्द को, सुनील शब्द को हॉल के अंदर देखा? और एडिकेट देखा था या नहीं? सुनील को करना था, बताइए। साहब सच बताओ, तुम इतना नर्वस था कि होश में नहीं था उस वक्त। अगर अशोक को भी तो मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया। नर्वस
Oh, which one?
उस दिन इंटरव्यू में जो कुछ भी और से देखकर मेरी जान सूख गई। और झगड़ा खत्म होते होते इंटरव्यू
I used to do this lead code thing.
और मुझे बहुत जानी पड़ी घुमाई और वहां मैंने शर्ट घुमाई। हेलो सीखने से मेरी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया। अच्छा
You are about to use a Google Form to join lead code.
पीछे की तरफ गया होगा। एक्चुअली मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया। मैंने पहले भी कहा मैं नहीं था। अरे ऐसे कैसे नहीं थे? अभी अभी उस फिल्म के असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर
Let's see, बाद में देखते हैं.
उन्होंने आपको देखा था वहां के अंदर। आप कह रहे हैं कि आप नहीं थे। कैसे आप जब मैं अंदर गया ही नहीं तो फिर कोई मुझे कैसे देख सकता है?
But this box has a greater width. क्या?
उस दिन
So box one width is little more as compared to these two.
इंटरव्यू के बाद पूरी फिल्म खत्म होने तक थिएटर के बाहर ही था, अंदर गया ही नहीं। थिएटर के बाहर क्या था? मेरे थिएटर के बाहर क्या था? गर्लफ्रेंड मीना से बात कर रहा। चलो समय के लिए मान लेते हैं कि तुम अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड मीना फिर डायरेक्टर ने जिसे देखा कोई है तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक वहम है। हॉल में कोई आया ही नहीं। आया शर्त ले ना आया तो नहीं कुछ शक कोई व्यक्ति है। मुझे बहुत सुनना केडी साहब, ये तो आपने नई कहानी शुरू कर दी। शुरू नहीं की इसी कहानी को शुरू कर देगा। थिएटर का वॉच
बोला ना सर। बोला संदीप सर। बोला ना मॅडम। ड्रेस जमा करून आले.
Okay, let's go. I think